Hello and welcome back to the one more tutorial of Drytis series, and today we will see the Drytis workspace. Okay, so let's go to the studio, and over here we have the workspace option. If we click on this workspace, it will redirect us to this page. Okay, but we can directly go to this page as well, workspace.writes.ai. If you are logged already in, then it will show you the dashboard. Okay, so it's showing me my name and my projects which are assigned and managed by me, active environments or active projects. This is a project member, and this is 20 total resources. So here it's showing projects and all projects. If I'm clicking on this, it will show me all the projects that I have created by myself or I have worked on. Okay, and here I can create a project as well. This is the create project, just putting the name over here and the details, and then it will be shown over here under this create new project tab. Okay, but let's forget about this right now. Then it will show you the customer invoice and engineer invoice. So this is the invoice, and that has been cost to me because I was creating on my own project, and it's free. Okay, creating our own project is free, but it is still recording this as per the time it has taken me to complete my own project. And then comes the engineer invoice. So here you can see your own invoice. Okay, we shows you the time and the amount that has been billed to writers from your end. Then comes environment, and it's a development environment showing nothing over here. Then we have the support ticket, and we can raise the support ticket through this button, which will be shown over here. The main thing over here I have to show you is all projects. Go to the all projects, and for example I am clicking on this. You can view any project and it will show you the preview URL. You can click on this preview and we can see this project. Then it's showing me the running environment. Okay, we can see the open terminal. We can open the terminal. We can open the ID. We can see the preview. Open the database as well. We can stop the environment. Okay, we can extend it as well and share. And I can see the logs as well. So right now there are no source running for this project, and then we can deploy to the production. But to deploy to the production, we need our custom domain. Let me show you over here. We need the domain and the admin email for that, so that we can just deploy to the production on our custom domain. Then comes the project members and database configuration over here, and we have ready a proxy configurations. This is the reverse proxy configuration. We can see it's active. And then comes the logs over here. It's a main content logs, and then you see the web logs. Basically this project is not mine, that's why it's not showing me everything. So this is the source repository, and then this is the environment file again, and this is the background source which is active right now. And then there are other sources. This is the repository again, which is a private repository. Let me go to the another project. For example, let me open this project. Okay, so I can see a URL over here, and I can see other details as well. uh, yeah, no service are running right here now at that moment, but yeah, we have proxy configurations over which have already been set up for this. We have a main reverse proxy, and we have reverse proxy for the API as well. We have a proxy for the uploads. So there are 3-4 proxies working for this, and this will show me the logs. Okay, so we all know what logs are. So sometimes what happens, we have getting some errors, so we can come over here to the workspace, and we can check the logs as well, and we can figure out what the issue is happening. And then this source repository in file scripts, and these are the background sources running right now for the project. This is the private repository, and over here I can upload the documents as well. So this is about project, and then there comes your profile and other things. We can update your profile here as well, and this shows the light LLM API key. It's your personal API key for accessing LLM services. Right now it's already created, so we leave it there, and it will show you everything and the time your account has been created, etc. and this is the notification tab, and this is the meeting tab and meeting icon, which we have already discussed. It's actually a video conferencing, and it's the raising support ticket, actually a bug report. So this is all about the workspace. You can check it by yourself later. So thank you so much for your attention. See you in next video. Thank you.